Hello guys, welcome back. If your LG portable air conditioner is showing an E5 error code, it can be frustrating because the unit may stop working properly right when you need it most. This error usually indicates a problem related to the water collection system or internal sensor detection, which prevents the unit from running to avoid damage. Many users think it's a serious fault, but in most cases, it's actually a simple maintenance issue like a full water tank or improper drainage. Since portable AC units collect moisture from the air, they need to be emptied regularly, and when that system is disrupted, the error appears. So, in this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to fix the E5 error and get your LG portable air conditioner working again. Try these. 1. Turn off the unit and unplug it from the power source. 2. Drain the water from the internal tank using the drain outlet. 3. Check the drain hose and ensure it is not blocked. 4. Plug the unit back in and restart it. 5. Ensure proper airflow and clean the air filter. 6. Confirm the error code is cleared and the unit runs normally